CALIPER, the Canadian Laboratory Initiative on Pediatric Reference Intervals, is a community health initiative based at the Hospital for Sick Children in Toronto. CALIPER was initiated in response to a serious gap in normal values for medical laboratory tests performed in children and adolescents, information that is essential to interpretation of such test results in children. Prior to CALIPER, a comprehensive database of reference ranges for children did not exist. Healthcare professionals would often rely on adult reference ranges, increasing the risk of misdiagnosis and inappropriate treatment. The CALIPER program has now established a comprehensive database of pediatric reference ranges for medical lab tests after recruiting and testing of thousands of healthy children and teens from birth to 18 years old. To provide free and easy access to this database, CALIPER has developed two simple-to-use tools, a web app and mobile app. These tools can be used by healthcare professionals such as pediatricians and family physicians, as well as laboratory professionals and families, to aid in the interpretation of children's test results. The database contains test information for hundreds of medical lab tests across various testing platforms, and the CALIPER team continually updates the database with new reference ranges for emerging medical lab tests and new testing platforms. Currently, the database is used by thousands of institutions across the world to help make informed clinical decisions. To access the CALIPER web app, visit www.caliperdatabase.org, where new users can quickly register. Ready to search the database? Simply select the medical lab test, units, and appropriate instrument. Based on your selection, the web app will present tables that provide age and sex-specific reference ranges. Scatter graphs of the data used to develop the reference ranges are also available. To access the CALIPER mobile app, please download the most recent version via the App Store or Google Play. Ready to evaluate test results? Simply select the medical lab test. Enter the result provided by the lab, along with the appropriate units, and input the sex and age of the child. Tables showing the corresponding age and sex-specific reference ranges for the blood test in question will appear. A black arrow indicates a normal result within the expected range. Alternatively, a red arrow indicates a value that falls outside of the reference range. To learn more about the CALIPER project and our recent updates, please visit our website, Facebook, or Twitter for more information. We would like to thank our generous sponsors and medical diagnostic industry partners, as well as the thousands of children and families who have contributed and made the CALIPER project possible.